Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a special request from my granddaughter Ruby to give her the recipe for blueberry pancakes. So here it goes. This was Ruby when I was teaching her last time she was with me a few years back now to make pancakes.
She did a good job.
So she's done quite well there, I must say. Anyway, here goes. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix that all together. Then in a jug, add 2 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice because we're not using any buttermilk. In that jug, add 2 eggs, whisk it together, including 70 grams of melted butter. Now add the milk gently, as you can see, not all together because we don't want it too runny and we don't want it too thick, but don't whisk it. Take your time and make it with love and it should be fine. Your job will be, when you get this video, to make your mum and dad breakfast in the morning. Pancakes with maple syrup and cream. My favourite actually. Mix it very gently, just kind of to one side to the other without kind of whisking it. We're nearly there now. That's perfect. That's the mixture you want. And now let it rest at room temperature for about 20 minutes before we start making our pancakes. After 20 minutes, get a heavy bottom frying pan. I'm using a cast iron one here. Make sure the oil is not too hot, so it's on low to medium, otherwise the butter will burn. Then get a ladle of your mix. Put it down and spread it out gently. But do this as quick as you can. And then place your blueberries or strawberry or banana, whatever topping you wish. Then let this cook for a couple of minutes, but make sure you keep an eye on the bottom so the pancakes are not burning. I'm using 2 frying pans so I don't have to wait till one is finished. I sometimes use 3 frying pans to get the job done quickly. So adjust the heat as you go, up and down as you need. Then as soon as the bubbles appear, pop in, turn it over. There you go. That's perfect pancake. These pancakes are really fluffy and light. They're a little bit different mixture from when we first made them, Ruby. I've changed the recipe a little. Now they're much lighter and fluffier. So enjoy my pancakes, Ruby, and let me know how you get on. Bye for now.